Hello everyone, I'm Johanna Gopika and today I will be presenting my project that title is on the movie ticket booking application. The main goal of this project is to design and implement a secure login and registration system where multiple roles such as admin, customer, and theater management manager can access different features of the same platform. By script for password hashing, JWT, JSON Web Token for authorization and section handling, and MongoDB for secure data storage. By the end of this presentation, we will understand how user register, how their credentials are protected, and how different user roles are managed safely. Um, for backend users, Node.js Express to handle all API roles and logic, MongoDB to store user and bookings, Bicrypt to hash password before storing them, JWT to create tokens that authenticate users during their section. The frontend is built using React.js to create interactive UI pages for login and registration. React routers to handle role-based navigation. There are three roles in this project: admin, customer, theater management. Admin, manage user and movies. Customer, book movie tickets. Theater manager, manage theaters and show timing. Each of these roles has specific access permission. For example, a customer cannot delete a movie, but an admin can. The MongoDB user schema defines how each user data is stored. It includes full name, username should be unique, email should be unique, password stored in hash form, roles are in admin, customer, theater management, and created at. All users' name and emails are unique, preventing duplicates. Passwords are never stored in plain text. They are hashed using bicrypt with salt. This ensures that even if the database is compressed, user password remain protected. When a new user registers, the following steps occur. The frontend sends a post request to API register with the user detail, name, username, email, and password. The backend checks if any of these fields are missing. It also checks whether a user with the same email or username already exists. The username is then saved in MongoDB with a default role, usually customer. This ensures that no one can access sensitive information during or after registration. Login flow. When a user tries to log in, the frontend sends a post request to API login with login ID, password. Here, login ID can be email or username. The servers search MongoDB for a matching user. It found it compressed password using. If the password matches a JWT token is created. This token and the user role and sent back to the client. This token is proof of authorization. It allows the user to access protected parts of the app without logging in again. The backend middleware to secure private routes. The middleware checks whether a valid JWT token is attached to a request header. Registration a customer. If you try with an existing email, you will get a 400 error. Usually, user already exists. Login with an incorrect password, get invalid credentials. Login with incorrect password, receives a JWT and row. User use the JWT to access API AUTH profile. Try to access an admin row as a customer, get 403. Login as admin and access admin only features successfully. Use strong salt route. Keep JWT secret and database URIs in environment variable, not in code. In production, prefer HTTP only, cookies over local storage. Use HTTPS to encrypt all communications. Implement refresh tokens for longer section. Use rate limiting to prevent brute force attacks. MongoDB connections error checks your Atlas URL or a whitelist IP. JWT verification error, token expired or incorrect secret, duplicate key error, missing unique index. We built a secure multi-road authorization system for an online movie booking app. We used Bicrypt to hash password and JWT for section management. We implement role-based access to separate admin, customer, and creator manager privilege. The front-end uses React for UI and stores the tokens for smooth authorization. This is our movie ticket app. We can sign in using our email and password, or we can create a new account using sign up here, and we can create using email ID, username, and password and current password. We can book the tickets by using booking creators by using reference and show time and total cost by using seat numbers. Thank you.